Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here at the coast with my buddy Bob. It's a beautiful day out. We're looking at his gorgeous 65 Ford Ranchero. We just fired up. It's got a fresh 302 engine. It's got a rebuilt transmission. It's got a solid rear end. I think he told me the gear ratio was 273, but I'll have it in the notes. There's Bob in the background. He's a good old timer. He takes real good care of his stuff. This is who you want to buy from. They definitely put some time, money, and energy into this baby. And so I just wanted you to hear it run. It sounds great. It's got plenty of power. These things are pretty light, so they'll get up and go. It's got a nice interior. It's got comfortable bucket seats. It's got a great sound. This is a California Ford, and it does not have any current needs. So if you like these things like I do, you should give me a call. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California, 707-599-9448. PlattMotors@gmail.com. PlattMotors.com is my website. Please check out the still photos. Look at those old school Krager SS mags, and they are in absolute beautiful shape. Willwood front disc brakes. You got to admit, this thing is pretty badass. So give me a call. Let's talk Ford Rancheros, and let's find a new owner for Bob here. He did all the heavy lifting. You just get to enjoy it. Call me anytime. Platt Motors, Anderson, California. We got Jerry Platt in the back there. He's rolling with Pops today. It's a family affair. You know how we do it. Platt Motors, a family legacy since 1931. Appreciate you looking at my videos, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.